In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk child link in Jira. If you've ever had a long list of stories, bugs, or tasks sitting unassigned without the right parent issue, you already know how time consuming it can be to open each one individually and update it by hand. The good news is that Jira includes a built-in bulk editing workflow that makes this much faster and more consistent, especially when you're cleaning up a backlog or organizing work before sprint planning. To get started, open your preferred web browser and sign in to your Jira site. Once you're on the main dashboard, go to the top navigation area and open Filters or Issues, depending on what your layout shows. From there, choose Advanced Issue Search, sometimes labeled Search for Issues. This takes you into the Issue Search workspace, where you can build a precise list of the child issues you want to update. When the search page opens, switch to JQL mode if it isn't already enabled. This gives you more control over your search and helps make sure you're only working with the exact issues that need a parent assigned. In the query box, enter a filter such as project equals your project key, parent is empty, and issue type is story, bug, or task. Then run the search. Jira will return the issues that match, and you should now see the unlinked items listed clearly on screen. Next, move to the upper right area of the results page and click the three-dot menu. From that dropdown, choose Bulk Change All Issues. Jira will open its bulk change wizard, which walks you through the update process step by step. On the first screen, select the issues you want to update. You can use the master checkbox to select everything in the list or choose specific issues manually if you only want to update part of the results. Click Next, then on the Actions screen, choose Edit Issues and continue by clicking Next again. Now scroll through the available fields until you find Change Parent. Enable that option so the parent field becomes editable. In the input box, enter the issue key of the parent you want these child items linked to. Be careful here and double check the key before moving on, because this is the relationship Jira will apply across all selected issues. After that, click Next to open the review screen. Take a moment to confirm that the correct issues are selected and that the parent value is exactly what you want. Once everything looks right, click Confirm. Jira will process the update in bulk and apply the parent-child relationship to all selected issues, and that's it.